Welcome back everybody, and to all the new faces joining, welcome. I'm Barry Mountford. In this video I'm going to be unboxing my next project. I'm going to be showing you folks what I'm going to be working on over the next couple of weeks. But it's not like any other unboxing that you've probably seen before. I put a little bit of time and effort into this video so you guys had a better experience whilst watching this channel. So make sure you hang about till the end of the video where I'll explain a little bit more about this project. So with that being said, let's get into the unboxing. Go folks, I hope you've enjoyed that. I had loads of fun putting this video together. Bit of a challenge in this small studio space, but being able to use the Pixapro 100D lights and modify those lights exactly how I want them with all the Pixapro modifiers I have, snoots, small reflectors, grids, soft boxes, was super helpful shooting this video. And that combined with my favourite lens to date for shooting video, which I still haven't gotten round to doing a review of, which I will do once work dies down because it's been absolutely crazy. I will do a review, but the combination of both worked a treat in this scenario, so I'm super happy with those. So this was the Devtac figure from Greenwolfgear. I'll put a link in the description below so you can head over to their website and check out all their other figures that they have on their website. Super detailed, and I love photographing these figures because of the detail in the photograph. Super well. So I'm just about to head out now to shoot some backgrounds for this figure, which I'm going to shoot him separately in the studio, shoot the backgrounds separately, and then combine them both in Photoshop. I'll be showing you how I do that. So if you guys want to see those tutorials, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'll be posting them further down the line. If you have liked this video, folks, if you've liked that unboxing, give it a thumbs up, flick the notification bell so you can see when each of the next videos is posted, and I'll see you folks in the next one. See you then.